Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so all of you are well and fine. In today's video, I am sharing with you a crochet baby poncho for 2 to 3 year baby girl. Simple and beginner friendly pattern. I am using a 4mm rubber crochet hook and 2 strands of 3 ply yarn together. You can use a 4 ply yarn as well. This yarn is thin, so I am using 2 strands together to make this poncho for winter. So first of all, make a slip knot like this, and then with the help of crochet hook we would make chains. So make chain 1 by pulling the yarn, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. So in this way we will make 110 chains. So I have made my chains. You can just make chains according to the recommended neck size of baby. So just take the right side of chain upward like this. Make sure you don't have any twist in this chain. And then in the very first chain make a slip knot. And now we are going to start our first round. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this. Go into the same chain, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2, wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Then make another double crochet into the same first chain. So this is our first corner for the poncho shape. Now we are just going to make double crochet in the second chain. Then make a double crochet stitch into the third chain and then a double crochet stitch into the fourth chain. In this way we are going to make double crochet stitches 54 times. Till the middle of chains right here, and then after completing these stitches we are going to make our next corner. So for the corner we are going to make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, again into the same chain, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So here is our second corner for our poncho. And now into the next chain we are going to make one regular double crochet, make a double crochet into the next chain. In this way, make double crochets in rest of the chains. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. And our first round is completed. Now to start the second round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Chain 3 will be counted as a double crochet in every round. And now make a double crochet stitch into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3. And then we have chain 2 space for our corner again. In this chain 2 space, we are going to repeat the same pattern of double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. And then we will make double crochet into the very first double crochet stitch after this chain 2 space. And now we are going to make simple double crochet stitches in every stitch like this. Now make double crochet stitches, and for the corner chain 2 space make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet and then double crochet stitches again till the end of second round right here. So here we have one stitch left. Now make unfinished double crochet stitch, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and other 2 will remain like this, and we will join the next yarn, pull the yarn through other 2 loops with this chocolate color yarn, chocolate brown color, and make a slip stitch into the third chain like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and we are going to work into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet. Similar pattern of second round would be repeated in this third round with this change color of yarn. So now in chain 2 space make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and then 2 double crochet stitches, and then make sure you make your first double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 2 space. Now we have completed third round. For the fourth round we will change the color, so make a slip stitch with this powder pink color yarn into the third chain by joining it into the last stitch like this, and now cut the chocolate color yarn. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and make one more chain and skip one double crochet stitch right here, and into the next one make 1 double crochet, make chain 1 again, skip 1 stitch, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and into the chain 2 space make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, then double crochet 1, and double crochet 2. Pull these stitches a little bit, make chain 1, skip first stitch and into the second one make a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet into the next stitch. So this is our double crochet chain 1 pattern and corner pattern is the same. Repeat the same pattern for next corner and then complete this fourth round till the end. Now make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the third chain right here, and our fourth round is also completed. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and make a double crochet stitch into the chain 1 space, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, a double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the double crochet stitch, again chain 1 space, make a double crochet. So this is our pattern. For the corner pattern would be the same. Make 2 double crochet stitches here and in chain 2 space make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and we have to repeat this 4 round block over and over again till our required length of poncho. So I have made my poncho for the required size. Last 2 rounds are made with chocolate color and chocolate color tassels are attached on it. And now I will show you how to attach these tassels at these 2 points in chain 2 space and in a stitch. So here is the back side of poncho with the help of crochet hook. Here are 7 to 8 strands. You can take more strands as well. Fold it in half like this and grab these strands together with the help of crochet hook on this side and just pull these strands together like this, and here tassel is attached. Now here are stitches 3, 3 and 1. After 7 stitches, after 6 stitches we are going to attach this tassel. You can have different number of stitches as well, so you just have to cover the stitches. I attached these tassels after 7 but sometimes after 6. So pull these strands together from this 7th stitch like this, the same process in which we attached in chain 2 space. The same process will be for the stitch, and now just trim them to make their ends even. I have made the ends even of other tassels already, so make them even, and our poncho is ready. Now we just have to make a single crochet stitch border at neckline. You can make other borders as well, like shell stitch border can also be made. I just want to make a single crochet stitch border, so I will make single crochet. You can start from anywhere, and I am starting from this second stitch, second or third stitch, I guess. So join the yarn, make a single crochet like this, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet like this. So we are going to make single crochet stitches like this all around base chains except the corner. For the corner we will make another pattern of decreasing. So here you can see we have this corner stitch and these 2 stitches before and after corner. So pull the yarn from this stitch, leave the corner stitch, go to the next one and pull the yarn from it. So we have 3 loops, pull the yarn through these 3 loops together. So this is single crochet 2 together stitch. So now we are going to make simple single crochet stitches in all of these remaining base chains on which we have worked our first round, and we are going to repeat the same pattern for this next corner. So here you can see 3 stitches. We are going to skip the middle stitch, and before and after we are going to make single crochet 2 together. So pull the yarn here from first stitch and then pull the yarn through third stitch like this, and pull the yarn through all 3 loops together on hook to make a single crochet together stitch. Then make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch. Now cut the yarn and pull it. Now with the help of needle, weave these yarn ends. So I have woven the yarn ends as well, and our poncho is ready. Hope you guys like this tutorial video. This is a very beginner friendly video tutorial. I have a video tutorial of granny poncho with a flower as well without tassels. So if you are interested, check out the description. I will put the link in description box as well. So you can also attach crochet flowers on these ponchos as well. They look nice. So you can see tutorial videos of different crochet flowers available on my channel as well. Do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you.